Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. Okay, so this is your messages, energy check-ins, and predictions reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And if you're interested na magpa-reading sa aking friend, message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page na Perception of Light. Okay, so kung may tanong rin pagdating sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye Bracelet and Evil Eye Ring, this is always available. Pero ito, nanganganib na. Parang ubos na. Pero yeah, tanong-tanong pa rin. Parang, yeah, I think may darating pa. Okay, may darating na new batch. Okay, for this one. Okay, pero ito always available po ito. Okay, in red and black strings. Okay, so, yeah. Okay. So, let's start with air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, anong message for you? Air signs. Ace of Wands. Opportunity. New opportunity. Opportunity to travel. Okay, new beginning for some of you. Someone is interested. Someone is attracted to you. A fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. What's your Ace of Wands? The Eight of Wands. Yeah. This is energy of movement, action. Okay, so I think yung iba sa inyo, konting action pa, no? Konting action pa, may darating na bagong oportunidad sa inyo. Okay? Pero ang nakikita ko rito, nandito na to eh. Nandito na to. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may bubuksan na business, mga ganyan. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng magkaroon ng parang bagong friend, bagong mga kakonek, mga ganyan. Hindi naman to sinasabi, walang energy rito na parang romantic connection, pero yeah, there's a lot of energy na gustong kumunik nga sa'yo, air signs. Okay, some of you, pwedeng mangyari to while you're traveling. Okay? So, what else? Iba sa inyo, makakuha ng ng compliments. Okay? Compliments. What else for you, air signs? The High Priestess and the Justice in Reverse. Oh, syempre balancing-balance ito. Oo, kung may ganitong energy, may ganitong lalabas. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo palaging pwedeng bida, no? Ano bang meron sa bida? Binubugbog rin yan. No? Hindi yan palagi nasa spotlight. Okay? So, energy rito is, sabihin natin, may konting conflict. Oo, the High Priestess in reverse, Justice in reverse. Some of you, this is through online. Okay? I don't know bakit online yung pumasok sa isip ko. Yung iba sa inyo through legal matter. Yan, mga ganyan. Okay? Yung iba rito, pwedeng sabihin din natin na pwedeng may marireleasean. Okay? May marirelease. Something. May papers. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Chalices. Yung iba sa inyo, ha? May nagkakalat ng rumor. May nagkakalat ng chismis. Okay? Hindi ko alam, pwedeng friend mo, pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Yeah, the Six of Wands. Why? Pinagkakalat nila yung something pwedeng hindi totoo dahil nandun yung inggit, nandun yung spotlight nasa'yo. So, syempre, babakbakan ganyan. Okay? Kung sino man yan. Well, yan lang natin sila, yung mga ganyang energy, no? Okay? So, just maintain, yung focus kung anong meron sa'yo. Okay? Hayaan mo silang lalong manginig sa galit. Okay. Okay. The devil. Some of you, meron dito ako nakikitang one night stand. When the night is come, yeah. Oh, may mga ganang energy, air signs. Wow. Wow daw. Ay, wow. Oo, ano to? Iba sa inyo, makikilala mo lang to pero may chok-chak Chinese na. Hindi pa man kayo. Mhm. Okay. Date of chalices. Yan, after nung bakbakan, aalis na. Bakbakan? Oo, alam mo, sabihin natin dito yun, di ba? Oo, nakakahiya naman, di ba? I can't, meron ditong one night stand akong nakikita na pwedeng mangyari sa mga air signs. Gusto nyo bukas? Bukas na. Tawan-tawa na naman ako. Well, yung iba sa inyo, may mga malulusutan, may mga malulusutan talaga no? Masusolusyonan na mga problem. Oo. Kaya pinakamaganda na yun for me, yung energy na ganyan and yung energy nung una. Okay? So, yeah. Hi, Diyos ko. Okay, air sign. So, next is fire. So, fire signs. Anong message for you? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Isa pa. Air sign. No. Fire signs. Sorry naman. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ano ang message for you? Anong message para sa inyo? Okay. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. And the Four of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, gagastusin niyo yung inyong mga na-save ng pera. May paggastos dito. Some of you, pwedeng hindi kayo magkakaroon ng problem regarding finances or financial dahil merong something na na-save. So, I think this is an advice for you na you have to save more. Okay? For the rainy days. Diba? Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. This is planning. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong parang kukuha ng saving account. Mga ganyan. May mag-open insurance, mga ganyan. Something, energy ng ganyan. Okay? So, yeah, may mag-a-apply ng ganyan. Like, plans. No? Tawag doon? Oo, educational plan, yung mga ganyan. Anything na may plan. O, diba? Oo. Siyempre. What else for you? Temperance. Being ready. Okay? Yeah, the Hermit. Being ready. The Temperance and the Hermit. Planning. Ang daming pagpaplano sa inyo, mga fire signs. Ang dami. Some of you, pwedeng may pupuntahang kasal. An occasion. Okay? Something na may union. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah. The Ace of Swords in reverse. I don't know kung i-reject mo or what. Pero nakikita ko ng dito ng sana hindi naman yung yung hindi ka may invite. Kasi, pwede rin, may ganyan, may mga okasyon na malalaman mo na lang kapag nakapost na. Bakit ganyan? No? Hindi ka invited. I'm sorry. Oo, pwede kasing pwedeng hindi ka pupunta or i-reject nyo dahil hindi nakapag-prepare. Mga ganyan. Ay, sorry, hindi ako nakapag-prepare. Ay, malapit na pala. Ay, naku, susubukan namin. Parang ganyan. Parang may ganyan. So, ganun na lang, no, yung energy. So, what else for you? Fire signs. May mga mapapagtanto kayo lately. Soon. Okay? Oo, may mga siguro, basahin nyo ngayon pa lang. Or sa mga nakarang araw, may mga nare-realize. Okay? Na magbibigay sa iyo ng parang pagkakaroon ng open, no? Like minded, oo. Pagiging open-minded sa isang sitwasyon, I don't know. So, King of Wands and the Five of Wands. Oh yeah. Managing. Merong mga some of you, if you're like, ito specific, if you're like a team leader, a boss, someone who manage, okay, may masusolusyonan dito. May masusolusyonan. Some of you, nandyan yung pwedeng ikaw yung mananalo sa isang challenge. May mapopromote. Some of you, may energy ng promotion dito. Mga fire signs. Okay? Pwedeng matagal na to eh. Tapos ngayon lang may bibigay. Okay? So, yeah. Maganda. Kahit papano. Okay, next. Ay, talaga naman. Okay, water signs. Okay, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong messages for them? Anong messages? Prediction, energy check-ins for water signs, please. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Five of Chalices in reverse. Death in reverse. Moving on. Oo. Something like makaka-cope sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? Meron ditong may makikipag-usap sa'yo, makikipag-ayos. Okay? Yeah, pwedeng, this is a past person's energy. Water signs. This is a past person's energy. So, maybe this is your energy because this is water sign. The Five of Chalices, Death. This is Scorpio. Pwedeng ikaw yung may something na gagawin for a past person. Okay? What else for you? The Moon. A lot of water signs. A lot. The Moon. Something is being hidden. There's secrets. Okay? The Hierophant. Meron ditong tagong relasyon. May tagong relasyon. Okay? Someone may gumagawa ng surprise dito. Yung iba dito, commitments. Okay? Avoid confusion. Schedules if ever. Kung hindi ka sure, pagdating sa pagko-commit, okay, in general, wag ka munang sumagot. Okay? Meron ditong nalulungkot. Pwedeng ikaw. May nalulungkot pagdating sa isang sitwasyon. Or may malulungkot. Nine of Swords in reverse. Strength in reverse. Meron ditong lalabas na sikreto, mabubunyag kung hindi pipilitin, kung hindi pipiliting alamin. Yung kapag hahayaan nyo na lang. Okay? Specific yun. Kung meron kayong mga gustong malaman, andun yung kapag natanong nyo na, itigil nyo na, stop nyo na kung hindi kayo sinasagot. Parang ganyan, and then hayaan nyo na lang muna. And then eventually, sila yung mag-open up. Kung sino man yung mga yan. Okay? Don't waste energy sa mga ganitong sitwasyon. Kasi yung paghihintay, nakaka-drain yan. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay? May mga gagaling pagdating sa, sabihin natin may mga gagaan ang pakiramdam. Gagaling from a sickness. Okay? Mas magiging okay yung kalagayan, kalusugan, mga ganyan. So, yun. Ang ganda nun. Okay? So, there. Next is Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. So, anong meron for you? Earth signs. Okay. Ganito lang daw. So, the Magician, manifestations, parating na. Kung anong minamanifest mo, pwedeng parating na. Yeah. The Ace of Pentacles, ang hinihintay ng mga Earth signs. Pwedeng pera, pwedeng relationship na long term. And it's coming. Okay? Yeah. Ang ganda nun. Uhuhuhu. Yung ba sa inyo, pwedeng may bigla ang darating na malaking pera. May magbibigay. May magre-regalo. Parang malapit na ang ang tawag dyan. Mga Capricorn. Okay. Capricorn na ba ngayon? Hindi ko talaga tanda. Oo. Okay. So, yeah. Someone wants to communicate. May parang may makikipag-usap. Tungkol sa isang sitwasyon para maging okay. Tails, the Three of Wands in reverse. Death in reverse. Don't give up before the finish line, Earth signs. Don't give up until the finish line. Just go with the flow. Kung anong meron. Okay? Kung madapa. Bangon ulit. Takbo ulit. Gawa ulit. Okay? So, pahinga. Kung kailangan magpahinga. And then, sabak ulit. Pero kailangan, may gagawing mga kakaiba rin. Okay? Yung hindi yung nasa routine ka na. Yeah. What else? May mga kasong magko-close. May mga pamana. May makukuhang mga mana. Parang, this is specific, hindi para sa lahat. Nakakita ko rito ng mayroong makakuha ng pamana. This is something big. Earth signs. pera, bahay, lupa, anything. This is something big. Sasakyan. Okay? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. The Chariot in reverse. Some of you, sabihin natin may delay, okay, na mangyayari. Kasi merong hindi makikipag-cooperate. May energy rito ng Cancerian, Scorpio, Virgo. Someone is not ready to cooperate. I don't know. Yeah, the Ten of Swords in reverse. Someone is not willing na magkaroon ng new beginning sa sarili. This is not your energy. This is not your energy. Okay? Kasi pwedeng itong taong ito, tinalikuran mo siya eh. And then, ngayon, hindi niya alam kung paano uusad. I don't know who. Okay? Pwedeng someone from your past. An energy of an ex. Okay? So, they don't know how. Wala silang idea. Yeah, see? The Three of Chalices in reverse. Energy ng walang pakikipagbalikan. They're not happy. They're not happy. They're needing you. Kinakailangan ka nila. Earth signs, kinakailangan ka nila. Pero hindi sinasabi na umaksyon ka. Okay? So, yun. Ang ating reading for you. All signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel and FB page. Okay? So, yeah. Thank you again. Bye.